Hi again from Digital Creator. We're going to keep going with our photo collage tutorial and add some text to the image that we created in the last video. I'm going to click and add a text layer here, and immediately it fills in some little phrase or quotation. You can delete that and put in your own text, which I have chosen as the text from the front of the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, Don't Panic. I'm going to change the font to something a little more space themed and make it green. I'll make it bold so it's easier to see and increase the size a little bit. I also want to make it look like these letters are glowing a bit, so I'm going to add a shadow, but I'm going to change the color of the shadow over here to a light green to kind of add a glow around the text. And there we go. I have a text layer. My second bit of text is going up in this top corner. I'm going to add it above the background, and it's going to be the number 42, which is the answer to the universe and everything. If you've read the books of Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, I want this to be pretty big. And I think I want them a little bit closer together. I'm going to make them orange, just to make it stand out a little bit more. Pull it up here. Then I can go back to arrange and change the blending mode on this. I think I would like, it's a little too much, something like that. With a little bit of transparency. So now I have 2 layers of text and 3 images in my photo collage. And we'll be finishing it in the next video.